Welcome to our in-depth review of Cavo Tagoo Mykonos, a stunning 5-star luxury hotel that has been captivating visitors since 1985. Perched on a natural cliffside near Mykonos town, this architectural marvel offers a unique blend of traditional Greek charm and contemporary design. Let's dive into what makes this hotel a standout destination in the beautiful Greek islands. First, let's talk about the accommodations. Cavo Tagoo Mykonos offers a diverse range of rooms, suites, and villas to suit every traveler's needs. From the classic room with its side sea view to the opulent paradisiac 8-bedroom villa with multiple pools, there's something for everyone. The rooms are a testament to luxury, featuring modern amenities like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and minibars. But what really sets them apart are the breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea and Delos Island that greet you each morning. Imagine waking up in a premium room, stepping out onto your private balcony, and being mesmerized by the endless blue horizon. Or picture yourself in a junior suite with an outdoor hot tub, sipping champagne as you watch the sun dip below the sea. For those seeking the ultimate in privacy and luxury, the cave pool suites offer a unique experience with their private pools nestled in cave-like settings. And let's not forget the golden villas, which take luxury to new heights with their spacious layouts and private pools. But wait, there's more. The hotel's crown jewel might just be the Orlinsky Cave Pool Villa, a work of art in itself. This villa combines the raw beauty of the island's natural landscape with modern luxury, creating a truly one-of-a-kind stay. And for those traveling with a large group or extended family, the Paradisia villas with 6 or 8 bedrooms provide ample space and multiple pools for the ultimate group getaway. Now let's move on to the culinary delights that await you at Cavo Tagoo Mykonos. The Tagoo restaurant is the heart of the hotel's dining experience, offering contemporary Mediterranean cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. Using fresh Greek products, the chefs create dishes that are both familiar and innovative. Imagine starting your day with a sumptuous buffet breakfast featuring freshly baked croissants and tarts that would make even a Parisian baker jealous. As the day progresses, the restaurant transforms to offer lunch and dinner menus that showcase the best of Greek and Mediterranean flavors. Fresh seafood is a highlight here, with dishes that capture the essence of the Aegean. And let's not forget the local specialties. You haven't truly experienced Mykonos until you've tasted some of these traditional dishes prepared with a modern twist. For those moments when you want to relax with a drink in hand, the lounge and pool bar is the place to be. Situated by the infinity pool, it's the perfect spot to enjoy a refreshing cocktail or a light snack while soaking in the stunning views. As night falls, the bar takes on a magical atmosphere with its color-changing lighting, creating the perfect backdrop for a romantic evening or a fun night out with friends. Speaking of the infinity pool, it's time we dive into the hotel's amazing pool and beach facilities. The centerpiece is undoubtedly the 38-meter saltwater infinity pool. This isn't just any pool, it's a work of art. With its color-changing lighting and floating sunbeds, it's become an Instagram sensation, and for good reason. As you float in the pool, the edge seems to merge with the sea beyond, creating an illusion of endless blue that's simply breathtaking. But the infinity pool isn't the only aquatic option at Cavo Tagoo Mykonos. Many of the suites and villas come with their own private pools, offering an exclusive and intimate setting for a refreshing dip. Imagine having your own personal oasis where you can swim and relax without ever leaving your room. It's the epitome of luxury and privacy. While the hotel isn't directly on the beach, don't let that deter you. The nearby beaches of Mykonos are easily accessible, and the hotel offers a convenient shuttle service to both Mykonos town and the surrounding beaches. So whether you prefer the lively atmosphere of organized beaches or the tranquility of hidden coves, you're never far from the perfect spot to soak up the Greek sun. Now let's talk about activities and wellness options at Cavo Tagoo Mykonos. The hotel understands that true luxury isn't just about beautiful rooms and stunning views. It's about nurturing your body and soul. That's why they offer a range of activities and wellness facilities to keep you feeling your best during your stay. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio and strength training equipment, perfect for those who want to maintain their workout routine even while on vacation. And if you prefer your exercise with a view, why not take a yoga class on one of the hotel's scenic terraces? There's nothing quite like doing your salutations while actually facing the sun rising over the Aegean Sea. But the true gem of the wellness offerings at Cavo Tagoo Mykonos is undoubtedly the spa. Here, you can indulge in a range of traditional body and face treatments that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. From soothing massages to invigorating facials, the skilled therapists use a combination of modern techniques and ancient Greek healing traditions to create a truly transformative experience. One unique feature of the spa is its chromatotherapy treatments. This innovative therapy uses the power of color to promote healing and relaxation. Imagine lying in a softly lit room, surrounded by gently changing colors that soothe your mind and uplift your spirits. It's an experience that goes beyond the physical, touching your emotional and mental well-being as well. The spa also features a sauna and steam bath, perfect for detoxifying and relaxing your muscles after a day of exploring the island. And for those who want to look their best for a night out in Mykonos town, the salon services have got you covered. From haircuts to manicures, you can get yourself fully glammed up without ever leaving the hotel. While Cavo Tagoo Mykonos is known for its romantic atmosphere and is a favorite among couples, it's worth noting that the hotel doesn't offer specific kids' clubs or activities. This makes it more suited for adult travelers or families with older children who can appreciate the sophisticated ambience and facilities. However, the lack of kid-specific amenities doesn't mean families aren't welcome. The larger suites and villas provide ample space for families, and the hotel's proximity to Mykonos town means there are plenty of family-friendly activities just a short distance away. Speaking of nearby attractions, Cavo Tagoo Mykonos boasts an enviable location that puts you right in the heart of all that Mykonos has to offer. Just a 10-minute walk from the hotel, you'll find yourself in the charming streets of Mykonos town. Here, you can wander through the iconic whitewashed buildings, shop in boutique stores, or enjoy a meal at one of the many traditional tavernas. For history buffs, the Archaeological Museum of Mykonos is less than a kilometer away. This small but fascinating museum houses artifacts from the nearby sacred island of Delos, offering a glimpse into the rich history of the region. And speaking of iconic sites, no visit to Mykonos is complete without seeing the famous windmills. These picturesque structures are within walking distance of the hotel and offer a perfect photo opportunity, especially at sunset. If you're in the mood for a romantic stroll, head to Little Venice, about a kilometer from the hotel. This charming neighborhood is known for its colorful houses that seem to rise straight out of the sea. It's a popular spot for watching the sunset, and the many bars and restaurants make it a great place to spend an evening. Now, let's talk about what really makes Cavo Tagoo Mykonos stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, it's the location. Perched on that natural cliffside, the hotel offers views that are simply unparalleled. Whether you're lounging by the infinity pool, enjoying a meal at the restaurant, or relaxing on your private balcony, you're treated to a panoramic vista of the Aegean Sea that will take your breath away. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.